I'm Lisa Altick with Cascade Sotheby's International Realty, and I can't wait to share with you this impeccably designed home located in the Estates at Pronghorn Resort in Bend, Oregon. 65740 Pronghorn Estates Drive was designed in appreciation of its high desert surroundings. From the moment you enter the front gate to this 4,336 square foot, 4-bedroom home until you reach the top of the 3rd floor Aerie viewing room, you are engulfed in intricate design details, exquisite materials, clean lines, and a very well thought out floor plan. Emmens Design is behind the architecture for this modern estate, which was developed to fit gently into its desert setting using indigenous landscaping, rock walls, and a combination of stucco and wood siding. Sun Forest Construction built this home, masterfully executing the vision of the owners and architect with soaring interior spaces that flow to the outside, ceiling height changes to delineate spaces in the open concept great room, 9-foot doors, and large picturesque windows and glass doors throughout, creating a crisp, bright interior in this home. The extensive list of high-quality materials that are incorporated throughout the home really tie this design together, with a sycamore wall surrounding the fireplace that wraps around the eastern side of the great room, finally turning the corner to the family room and ending at the southern-facing patio door, complements the gorgeous walnut standalone wall that separates the kitchen from the dining space. The walnut is repeated again in the study, which boasts a beautiful walnut desk and backdrop with recessed lighting. The intricate base reveal that travels throughout the lower level and welcomes you upstairs are a testament to the consistency of design and quality of craftsmanship in this home, creating an easy, light feeling and continuing the clean line throughout. From the custom color concrete fireplace surround to the painted Le Corbusier color accent walls, the specificity and attention to detail in the design of this home is apparent from the moment you walk under the trellised entry courtyard. Sitting on a 1.06 acre parcel abutting the 20,000 acres of federally protected lands that surround Pronghorn Resort, this home boasts an abundance of privacy that is apparent in every interior and exterior living space. The private master bedroom wing, located on the lower level, looks out over the 1,000-year-old Juniper forest to the east. The primary suite is equipped with a generous-sized bathroom, ample closet spaces, tons of accessory storage, and a multi-purpose alcove that could be used as a yoga or exercise space. Walk down the hall to the downstairs study built for 2, with plenty of space for all your work needs. On the opposite side of the great room and dining space, you'll find the thoughtfully laid out chef's kitchen with recessed cabinetry and dining nook. With ample space to prep, cook, and serve, this kitchen is capable of hosting magnificent get-togethers and events. Just off the kitchen, you'll find the bright and light family room, perfect for relaxing and surrounded by windows overlooking thousands of acres of undevelopable lands. Heading upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, sharing a bonus room and office area, in addition to a 3rd ensuite bedroom for family and guests. And at the very top of this impeccable home is probably one of its greatest attributes, the 3rd floor Aerie for Eagle's Nest, a room perched atop this modern masterpiece with endless views in every direction. The perfect location to catch sunsets over the Cascade Mountain range and to peacefully take in the surroundings of this beautiful high desert oasis. The list of features goes on, from radiant heat throughout the lower level combined with forced air for that perfect ambiance, in addition to 2 air conditioning units to handle this ample-sized home. A private hot tub tucked away and protected by the stone fence of the southern courtyard, the eastern-facing back terrace with custom fire pit, perfect to catch the early sunrise and protected from the afternoon heat. Awarded Golf Digest Editor's Choice Award for Best Golf Resort in the Pacific Northwest, you'll know why the instant you arrive on property at Pronghorn Resort. Allow the grand 55,000 square foot clubhouse to welcome you to this premier resort community. With 2 world-class golf courses, both boasting international accolades and all the amenities of Pronghorn Resort, enjoy 3 swimming pools, a tennis court, spa, numerous dining outlets, and the Huntington Lodge, a 104-room boutique hotel located just off the 18th green of the Tom Fazio Championship course. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or a second home, this contemporary gem is the perfect spot for your next home adventure. I'm Lisa Altick with Cascade Sotheby's International Realty. Thrilled to share with you any details about this home. Please feel free to reach out with any questions.